It's a fly right there.
Oh!
Oh, I'm me looking at her. She must got a fat.
Hey, the workout I'm coming like new Chick-fil-A. What can I say? Diamond gon' dance like they do on parade. We got them band like we in a parade.
What's up, DQ gang? It's your girl Quona, and I am back with another video. And tonight's video is gonna be super funny. So Dundee thinks that we are going to do a mukbang, which we are, because we are gonna eat, but that's not all. So he got me 2 days ago with this prank where he was acting hood in front of me to get my reaction. So I'm gonna flip the tables. I am gonna act ratchet in front of him to see how he reacts. I'm gonna do my hair in some kind of ratchet style. I got these earrings from an 80s party I went to like maybe 2 years ago, so I'm gonna wear those. And I'm gonna try to find some clothes, whatever I can find, I'm just gonna put it on. So without further ado, let me get dressed and we're gonna get into this prank. I have no idea how this top is ratchet, but I'm gonna wear it. I really don't have a whole lot to choose from. Oh wait. Guess I got tired of the back. I don't know how I'm gonna wear my hair. I think I'm just put it in like a side ponytail. Like that's how I used to wear it in high school. Ratchet. Oh yeah, this side ponytail is about to be. Where is it? Oh yeah. Oh cool. Man, my hair falling. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what acting ratchet got to do with this jacket, but I'm about to put it on. I think it look cute with the shirt. Got my initials on it. Like, is that ratchet? I don't even know if that's ratchet. To have your initials on your jacket. Alright. But these, super ratchet. Period. Poop. Oh yeah. Okay, I need some makeup now. There goes something kind of ratchet. I love these little things. My student bought me this a long time ago. Let's see. Put it on this side so I can actually read love. Okay. How y'all think I look? I look cute. Alright, finishing touches, come on. Dang, my jacket messed up. It'll be alright. We will make it work. I need some lip gloss or something. Found some lipstick. I'm really ratchet now. Not with lipstick. I'm not saying lipstick is ratchet, but this look, definitely ratchet. All right, let's do this, boo. Let's see what his reaction is gonna be. Dundee, is you gonna do the intro for the video or me? Is you gonna do it or me? I'm asking you a question. Is you gonna do it? Or is I'm gonna do it? Why are you laughing?
Bro.
Why are you laughing?
First of all.
Come on.
Bro,
Come on, we gotta hurry up and do this video. Do this mukbang, cause I'm hungry. I ain't ate all day. How you be fixing this camera? How you, oh! How you be fixing this camera?
Bro, you look crazy as hell, but...
You don't like how I look?
Bro, hold on. I gotta hold on.
You don't like how I look?
I'm about to go upstairs and come back. Hold on.
What's wrong with how I look? I thought you liked this. I was trying to put on something cute for you. We are about to eat at Sonic. Oh, this food is about to be popping. Oh, period.
What the hell you got going on, bro?
You don't like what I got on?
Bro, hold on, bro. Hold on. Let me put some light on that.
But do you like my hair at least?
Bro, you look crazy as hell, bro. I ain't gonna even lie, bro.
I look crazy. That's what you gonna say to a woman after she get dressed up? Dang, that's messed up. That's messed up. I thought you like how you look.
I know you don't think we finna do this
mukbang.
mukbang what you looking at.
Why not?
First of all,
You don't like how I look?
turn that camera back.
Yeah, how is it that you do it? You want me to do it?
No, don't worry about it. First of all, bro. Let me get them people right, man.
Wait, you don't like how I look?
First of all,
Come on, let's set up for this mukbang, cause I'm hungry.
first of all, man, you a teacher, bro.
What's wrong with that? I come from the ghetto.
Bro,
I just
so-
wash my hands. Oh, what you trying to say?
I don't know, y'all. Look, man, don't ask me nothing. I don't know.
You ain't do that intro without me, did you?
Nah, I ain't even.
All right, let's get it, cause I'm is hungry. Hey, y'all, let's get it.
Bro,
All
so
right.
you think, hold on, bro. Like you really think that I'm finna let you
Mess up this
get
mukbang?
on camera looking like that? Whatever.
What
man.
you want me to do?
Whatever, man. Let's just get on with it.
Is it my lipstick color?
Bro, let's just get on with it, bro. Let's just get on with it, man. Let's go on with it, bro. I don't know.
All right, let's do it.
Alright, let's go. You ready for these men?
What's up, DQ gang? I'm Quona.
Hold on, bro.
Is it wrong?
Hold on, dog.
All right.
Bro, you know how we do this, bro. They say, DQ gang, what's happening? DQ gang, what's up? Not no, what's up, DQ gang. What is that, bro?
Oh! Mommy said like I always.
You gotta scratch
You
that.
say it. Come on. Because I told you I'm as hungry. Can you hurry up? Because I'm as hungry.
Alright, man. Look, I got it. You follow my lead, man.
Okay, what up?
Man, you look crazy. Here we go.
Oh! I look crazy.
Nah, never mind. Nah, you don't look crazy. Here we go. DQ gang, what's poppin', man? I go by Don.
I'm Quona. And we is back with another video. Why you stop? Come on, I'm as hungry.
Alright, man, one more time. DQ gang, what's poppin', man? I go by Don.
I'm Quona.
And we
is back with another video.
Hey, man. Ain't you an English teacher, man?
Oh! What that mean?
Bro, it's we are back. We are back. How many times we done did this for 50? We are back with another video. Not
All right, let's run it again. Let's
is.
run it again
We
because
is.
I'm hungry.
Bro, what you got in your ear, bro?
You know what I did?
Man, you looking like, alright, come on.
This the
Man, you gotta have that windbreak on, man. That's why I'm hot, man. You making me hot as hell in here, man.
He needs some milk.
But
it's the voice for me. You're gonna have to bring it down 3 notches.
I got you, man. I got you. Here we go, bro. Alright, man. First of all, bro, fuck. Let's get the thumbnail. We ain't even get the thumbnail.
Alright, let's do it. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
Should I drink some of my drink in the thumbnail? Alright, let's do this.
Alright, man. Where's the intro, man? Here we go, man. DQ gang, what's poppin', man? I go by Don.
I'm Quona.
And we are back with another video,
man.
Hey, so, hey, man, check this right.
I meant to say that silently, but it's okay.
It's alright. Alright, man, y'all check this, man. Tonight, we are doing a Sonic's mukbang, man.
I think it's called mukbang. Mukbang. It's mukbang. Alright, well, we're going to say mukbang. We're going to go ahead
and like, how we... Like, then we had a Q&A, right?
Oh.
Then you ask folks some questions or something, man?
Yeah.
Find the question, man.
Alright.
Alright, y'all. While Quona looking for the question, I'm going to be, let's see.
Can I just say something? You can take this off the camera. But I think that you need to just go and let me eat because I'm a woman and I'm just hungry. And you're taking a long time to get this video started.
Bro.
I'm just saying.
Man, which one yours and which one mine?
I haven't even looked. I got
That's
chicken.
yours right there.
Alright, let's see.
Yeah, man. Alright, y'all. So I got a big burger. I don't even know what the name of this, man. Quona ordered mine and I ordered hers. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna eat for y'all, man. And we're gonna answer these questions that you guys asked us. You know
and let me just say, y'all, my baby knew exactly what I wanted because he went on in and got me something like a BLT. He know I love BLTs, and I knew exactly what he wanted. It's so crazy that we know each other like that, ain't it?
Bro, what's wrong with you, bro? Never mind.
What's wrong, Zaddy?
Give me a... Let me get my straw, dog. You tripping, man.
What's wrong, Daddy?
Ain't nothing wrong. Come on. Bro, you know, like, what you been drinking, bro? You had it.
It's a fly right there.
Oh!
Ooh! Get away from my food. Period. Period. Oh,
Bro.
oh, alright, so we got one question.
Bro, let me get my straw, bro.
Oh, I didn't know you asked for a straw. There you go, Zaddy. Zaddy.
Hey, man.
Alright, so one question says...
Bro, hold on, bro. Hold on.
You ain't ready?
No. Bro, we got strawberry slushies too, bro. You
Oh, yeah, we
bro.
do. Okay, so I got a chicken toaster or something like that. That's what my Zaddy ordered for me.
Yeah.
It's like I don't know. I don't know what he ordered. But I'm going to eat it. Because I'm hungry. Oh, anyway. He got me some fries. And I got a strawberry slushy. Oh, ooh, that slushy good. It's the strawberries for me.
Ask the first question, bro.
Oh. I thought you said I'm asking. So, say for instance, you went on a couple trip, and it's about 6 other people there, but one girl, she showed up single. So I'm guessing these 6 people, they might be 3 couples. But one other girl outside is an extra, what do you call it? Like a third wheel? Yeah.
Yeah, third wheel, bro.
But this girl who just showed up with nobody.
Bro, why are you talking so loud, bro?
What's the matter?
I'm right here, bro.
Oh, my bad.
I'm right here, dog.
She dressing inappropriately around the other couples. All the men looking at her, she must got a fat. Okay, wait, it's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Man, bro, I was just about to say, bro. Man, I was about to say, dog. Man, you come out there looking crazy like that, man.
Oh, man, that was funny. Man. Do I look ratchet for real?
Bro, you look crazy, bro.
I don't look ratchet? look crazy.
Bro, you look like you should have been on Bounce, bro.
Yeah, they Ratchet. Yeah. That was the goal. Alright, so I think it's safe to say Team Quona is in the lead. Say Team Quona.
Team Quona, man.
We can't hear you. Say it again.
Team Quona, man. She got me, man.
That's weird.
I thought she was losing her mind.
So because I pulled this prank off, we got to get at least 300 likes. Go ahead and like, comment, drop Team Quona all the way down in the comments. This was a good one, wasn't it, baby?
Yeah, man, it was a good one, man.
Until next time, y'all be safe. I'm Quona.
I go by Done.
And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Tammy, man, I love you.
Drama and starting up, been thugging since kids.
Sit back and think about the shit that we did.
The time that we lost them grands up in the kitchen.
Kush blunts got a G reminiscing.